I'm here today to show you this stunning 4-bedroom home, styled and modernised to an exceptionally high standard in the village of Harrietsham. Welcome to Alegria. On the ground floor you have this elegant dining room with direct access to a secluded decked garden area. Check out this main living space. It is huge and beautifully designed with a modern log burning stove and French doors out to the garden. This gorgeous kitchen was redesigned in 2022 and it comes with stunning quartz worktops, a butler sink with cooker tap and these larder style cupboards to hide the built-in appliances. Upstairs you have 4 double bedrooms and a stylish family bathroom. I love this main room. It is surrounded by natural light and comes with double built-in wardrobes and a gorgeous ensuite. I love the outside space of this home. It pretty much wraps around the entire property. You have this large, beautiful garden to the front side of the house, which leads to this lovely south-facing garden with decking and patio areas, but I'm not done. To the side of the house hides this secluded decked area with direct access to the dining room, and guess what? The hot tub is staying. So if you're looking for a beautifully styled home with lovely gardens in a charming village location but still only minutes away from a station that takes you straight to London, then you have to come and see Alegria. To book your viewing, contact Foundation Estate Agents today.